Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to walk you through the assembly of our flat bench top toy and storage box. Before we get started, make sure to look at everything included. If you have any damaged or missing parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. Let's get started. Okay, so for our first step, we are going to lay out all of our pieces. Make sure that all of our grooves on the bottom are aligned with each other, because later on we will be inserting this bottom board. And now we're going to take our barrel nut. And our barrel nut has a hole that goes down the middle. So we are just going to insert our barrel nut into the holes on our front and our back panels. And then we are going to attach our side panel. And now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now that we have our sides attached, we're going to push in our bottom board. And now we're going to insert the rest of our barrel nuts the exact same way we did on this side. So now I'm going to put our side panel onto our toy box and then insert the bolts. So for step 2, we are going to need our part E, which is our top. And then for our hardware, we're going to need 2 of part K, which is our safety hinge, 18 of part I, which is our short screw 2, 8 of our short screw 1, which is our part H, and 2 of our L's, which is our hinges. The easiest way to do this is to attach our hinge to our back panel first and then to our top panel later. So we are going to need our part H, which is our short screws, and those are just going to go in these 2 bottom holes right here. And next we're going to need our part I, which is our longer screw, and that's going to go in this top hole up here. I'm going to leave our screws slightly loose and we will come back and tighten everything up at the end. Now we're going to take our safety hinge and we're going to attach our long side to our lid using 8 I screws. So now we're going to attach the top of our hinge to our lid using 4 H screws. I have this laying on its back because it makes it easier to assemble. You'll probably have to adjust the brackets on our hinges to align with the holes, and we're going to attach those with 8 I screws. And we're going to leave these screws slightly loose, and when we flip our toy box upright, we'll tighten them the rest of the way. Now that we have our toy box upright, we're going to go back in and finish tightening all of our screws. This should open and close with ease. If not, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. And that concludes the assembly of our flat bench top toy and storage box. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the last clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.